Hi there. For today's reading activity, I would like for you to grab your reading journal and flip to a clean sheet of paper. Today's date is 12/3/20. The title for this page is going to be Text Features. Okay, for today's activity, I would like for you to look at the image on the slide, and I would like for you to tell me what text feature that image is. Okay? Once you figure out what that image is, I would like for you to complete the sentence. This text feature is, and you're going to complete the sentence. You're going to write in the blank. Your options are heading, diagram, label, or captions. Okay, so again, you're going to look at the image on the slide, figure out which text feature it is, and complete this sentence. This text feature is heading, diagram, label, or captions. Okay, you're going to write whichever one you think it is right here. Okay.